Would you believe me if I told you that a man who once mopped dirty floors at midnight is now sitting in $1 million office running his own company? Sounds impossible, right? Well, prepare to be inspired, because this isn't just a story, it's a blueprint for anyone ready to transform their life. His name was Michael. He worked as a janitor in a small school, a silent figure in the quiet hours of the night. Every evening while the world slept, he was scrubbing toilets, cleaning classrooms, and emptying trash bins. His shoes were worn, his pockets often empty, but his spirit held an unwavering dream. Michael often whispered to himself a quiet affirmation in the echoing halls. This isn't the end of my story. I know I was made for more. He felt a deep yearning for purpose, a desire to break free from the limitations of his current circumstances. One evening, while sweeping a deserted hallway, he stumbled upon an old business magazine discarded in the trash. Instead of tossing it aside, he took it home. That night, under the dim glow of a single lamp, he devoured stories of entrepreneurs who started from nothing and built incredible empires. A powerful spark ignited within him. If they could rise from obscurity and achieve greatness, why couldn't he? This wasn't just a magazine, it was a revelation, a sign that his dreams were not just fantasies. From that pivotal moment, Michael made a profound decision. Every break, every early morning, and every late night after work, he would dedicate his time to learning. He immersed himself in books on business, money management, and the profound power of self-discipline. Michael didn't get rich overnight. His journey was far from easy. His first business idea failed spectacularly, costing him precious savings and countless hours. People scoffed, whispering, "Stick to cleaning floors, that's all you're good for." The criticism was sharp, but his resolve was sharper. Yet Michael refused to quit. He started again and then again, each setback becoming a powerful lesson, a stepping stone rather than a stumbling block. He understood that failure wasn't the opposite of success, but a vital part of it. He lived simply, saved every single dollar, and reinvested every spare cent into small, promising projects. Slowly, meticulously, his small side hustle began to blossom into a real, tangible business. He was no longer just a janitor. He was an entrepreneur in the making, forging his destiny with grit and unwavering belief. After years of relentless struggle, unwavering dedication, and countless sacrifices, one of his ventures finally soared. Clients poured in, drawn by his integrity and innovative solutions. Profits multiplied, and the impossible dream began to manifest into a vibrant reality. The janitor who once cleaned offices now owned his own, a testament to his incredible journey. The man who once earned minimum wage now signed $1 million contracts, his signature a symbol of triumph. When asked what fueled his incredible perseverance, Michael simply smiled and said, "I refused to let a mop define my future. I knew my dream was worth more than any excuse, any doubt, or any fear." His story is a powerful reminder that your current situation is never your final destination. This isn't just Michael's story, it's a mirror reflecting the boundless potential within each of us. Your starting point does not and will never define your ultimate destination. Whether you're a student navigating your path, a job seeker facing uncertainty, an entrepreneur battling setbacks, or simply someone feeling stuck, remember this profound truth. Success doesn't care where you begin. It only cares how much you're willing to fight for it. So ask yourself, will you let your circumstances dictate your future? Or will you rise, like Michael, and courageously write your own extraordinary story of triumph? The power to transform your life lies within you, waiting to be unleashed. Take that first step today. Identify one small action you can take towards your dream, whether it's learning a new skill, networking with someone inspiring, or simply believing in yourself a little more. Share your aspirations in the comments below. And let's build a community of dream chasers. Don't just dream it, become it.